Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the high oxygen producing trees, banyan, neem, and peepal tree. And the three high oxygen producing plants, peace lily, spider plant, and snake plant. These magnificent trees not only provide shade and beauty but also play a crucial role in oxygen production. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of these oxygen generating giants. Number 1. The banyan tree. Let's start with the banyan tree, also known as Ficus bengalensis. This tree is native to the Indian subcontinent and is famous for its sprawling branches and aerial crop roots. Did you know that a single banyan tree can produce oxygen equivalent to what is required by 10 humans? The banyan tree is a symbol of longevity and strength in many cultures. Its extensive canopy provides shelter to various animals and birds, making it an essential part of the ecosystem. The large leaves of the banyan tree absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis, making it a vital contributor to our oxygen-rich environment. Not only does the banyan tree produce oxygen, but it also helps in reducing air pollution by absorbing harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Its ability to cleanse the air makes it an excellent choice for urban areas with high pollution levels. Number 2. The neem tree. Moving on to our next oxygen-producing champion, the neem tree, scientifically known as Zadirachta indica. This evergreen tree is native to the Indian subcontinent and has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. But did you know that it is also a significant oxygen producer? The neem tree is known for its ability to survive in harsh conditions, making it a hardy and resilient species. Its leaves are rich in chlorophyll, which aids in the process of photosynthesis, leading to oxygen production. Additionally, the neem tree's extensive root system helps prevent soil erosion, ensuring a healthy environment for other plants. Apart from oxygen production, the neem tree has several other benefits. Its leaves and seeds are used in traditional medicine for their antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. The neem tree also acts as a natural pesticide, protecting crops from harmful insects and pests. Number 3. The peepal tree. Our final oxygen-producing tree is the peepal tree, scientifically known as Ficus religiosa. This sacred tree holds immense religious and cultural significance in many parts of the world. But did you know that it is also a powerhouse of oxygen? The peepal tree is known for its heart-shaped leaves and distinctive aerial roots. These roots provide stability to the tree and also aid in oxygen production. The large leaves of the peepal tree absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, contributing to the oxygen-rich environment we need for survival. The peepal tree is not only an oxygen producer but also a symbol of life and fertility. It is believed to have healing properties and is often associated with spiritual practices such as meditation and yoga. Now that we have explored the oxygen-producing capabilities of the banyan, neem, and peepal trees, it is crucial to understand the importance of conserving these species. Deforestation and urbanization pose significant threats to these trees and their habitats. It is essential for us to protect and preserve these oxygen-generating giants to maintain a healthy and sustainable environment. Planting and nurturing these trees in our surroundings can significantly contribute to oxygen production and combat climate change. So, let's join hands and take action to ensure a greener and oxygen-rich future for generations to come. That's all for today's episode on the three high oxygen-producing trees, banyan, neem, and peepal tree. We hope you enjoyed this informative journey. Remember, every tree we plant brings us one step closer to a better and healthier world. Next, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the three high oxygen-producing plants, peace lily, spider plant, and snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. These incredible plants not only add beauty to our homes but also help improve air quality by producing high levels of oxygen. In this video, we will explore the characteristics, care tips, and benefits of each plant. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Peace lily. Our first high oxygen-producing plant is the peace lily, scientifically known as Sparthiphyllum. This plant is native to forests and is known for its elegant white flowers and glossy green leaves. They are excellent at removing toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon dioxide from the air. The peace lily is relatively easy to care for. It thrives in low to medium light conditions and prefers moist soil. However, be careful not to overwater it, as it can lead to root rot. Regular misting can help maintain the humidity levels it requires. One fascinating fact about peace lilies is that they are also known for their ability to communicate their water needs. When the plant needs watering, lightly, but with a little water, it quickly recovers. Isn't nature amazing? Number 2. Spider plant. Our next high oxygen producing plant is the spider plant, scientifically known as Chlorophyton comosum. This plant is famous for its long, arching leaves with white stripes, resembling spider legs. Spider plants are excellent at removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. Spider plants are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in various lighting conditions, from bright indirect light to low light. They prefer well-draining soil and should be watered when the top inch of soil feels dry. These plants also produce small offshoots called spiderets, which can be propagated to create new plants. Spider plants are not only known for their air-purifying abilities but also for their resilience. They are known to withstand neglect and are considered one of the easiest plants to care for, making them perfect for beginners or busy individuals. Number 3. Snake plant, mother-in-law's tongue. Our final high oxygen producing plant is the snake plant, scientifically known as Sansevieria trifasciata. This plant is also commonly referred to as mother-in-law's tongue due to its sharp, sword-like leaves. Snake plants are excellent at removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air. Snake plants are incredibly resilient and can tolerate a wide range of lighting conditions, from low light to bright indirect light. They prefer well-draining soil and should be watered sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to rot. Snake plants are not only known for their air-purifying abilities but also for their ability to release oxygen at night, making them an excellent choice for bedrooms. They are also known to increase humidity levels, making them ideal for dry environments. And there you have it, nature enthusiasts, the 3 high oxygen producing plants, peace lily, spider plant, and snake plant. These plants not only enhance the aesthetics of our homes but also provide us with cleaner and fresher air. Remember, taking care of these plants is not only beneficial for us but also for the environment. So, why not bring a touch of nature into your home and enjoy the numerous benefits these plants have to offer? Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on nature and gardening. Until next time, keep planting and breathing in that fresh oxygen. Thank you. But have you ever wondered, January, a fresh start, a new beginning, and the first chapter of every new year? But have you ever wondered why January is positioned at the start of the year? Let's dive into the history and reasons behind this calendrical placement. Our journey begins with the Romans. The early Roman calendar, which was believed to be invented by Romulus, the legendary first king of Rome, originally consisted of 10 months, with March being the first month of the year. This calendar totaled only 304 days, leaving the remaining 61 days in winter unaccounted for. It wasn't until Numa Pompilius, the second king of Rome, came to the throne that January and February were added to the calendar. January was named after Janus, the Roman god of doors and gates. Janus had 2 faces, one looking forward and one looking back, symbolizing the reflection on the past and the anticipation of the future. This symbolism made January the perfect candidate for the first month of the year. It was a time for looking back at the old year and forward to the new one, a time for resolution and beginnings. Fast forward to 45 BCE, when Julius Caesar introduced it. He standardized January as the first month of the year, aligning the calendar with the solar year and the seasons. This system was later refined by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582, creating the Gregorian calendar we use today. Answer: January took its place at the start of the year. Across the globe, we celebrate the arrival of January with fireworks, resolutions, and a sense of renewal. It's a month that holds the collective hope for a better year ahead. As the sun rises on January 1st, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that come with a new beginning. So, as we step into January, let's embrace the spirit of Janus, reflect on the past, look forward to the future, and make the most of the new year ahead. From this, we can recollect the famous lines of P.B. Shelley from the poem, Ode to the West Wind. The lines are, if winter comes, can spring be far behind. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. Here's to a prosperous and joyful January, and an incredible year to come. January, a fresh start, a new beginning, and the first chapter of every new year. But have you ever wondered why January is positioned at the start of the year? Let's dive into the history and reasons behind this calendrical placement. Our journey begins with the Romans. The early Roman calendar, which was believed to be invented by Romulus, the legendary first king of Rome, originally consisted of 10 months, with March being the first month of the year. This calendar totaled only 304 days, leaving the remaining 61 days in winter unaccounted for. It wasn't until Numa Pompilius, the second king of Rome, came to the throne that January and February were added to the calendar. January was named after Janus, the Roman god of doors and gates. Janus had two faces, one looking forward and one looking back, symbolizing the reflection on the past and the anticipation of the future. This symbolism made January the perfect candidate for the first month of the year. It was a time for looking back at the old year and forward to the new one, a time for resolutions and new beginnings. Fast forward to 45 BCE, when Julius Caesar introduced the Julian calendar. He standardized January as the first month of the year, aligning the calendar with the solar year and the seasons. This system was later refined by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582, creating the Gregorian calendar we use today. Answer: January took its place at the start of the year. Across the globe, we celebrate the arrival of January with fireworks, resolutions, and a sense of renewal. It's a month that holds the collective hope for a better year ahead. As the sun rises on January 1st, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that come with a new beginning. So, as we step into January, let's embrace the spirit of Janus, reflect on the past, look forward to the future, and make the most of the new year ahead. From this, we can recollect the famous lines of P.B. Shelley from the poem, Ode to the West Wind. The lines are, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. Here's to a prosperous and joyful January, and an incredible year to come. Welcome back to our channel. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic, the difference between poisonous and venomous animals. What sets these creatures apart? Well, you're in luck because we're about to dive deep into this captivating subject. So, let's get started. To begin, let's establish the definitions of poisonous and venomous animals. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they actually have distinct meanings. A creature is considered poisonous if it can harm you by being touched or ingested. On the other hand, a creature is venomous if it can harm you by injecting venom through a bite, sting, or other means. Now, let's focus on poisonous animals. These creatures possess toxins that can cause harm when touched or consumed. One example of a poisoned animal is the poison dart frog. These vibrant amphibians secrete a potent toxin through their skin, making them highly dangerous to predators or anyone who handles them without caution. Another example of a poisonous animal is the pufferfish. This intriguing fish contains a deadly toxin called tetrodotoxin in its organs, mainly the liver and ovaries. In some cultures, specially trained chefs can prepare pufferfish as a delicacy, but it requires great skill to remove the poisonous parts and ensure it is safe to eat. Moving on to venomous animals, these creatures have specialized glands that produce venom, which they deliver through bites, stings, or other mechanisms. One iconic example of a venomous animal is the snake. Snakes inject venom into their prey or potential threats using their fangs. Venomous snakes can be found in various parts of the world, such as the rattlesnake in North America or the cobra in Asia. Another fascinating example of a venomous animal is the box jellyfish. Its tentacles contain venomous cells called nematocysts, which can deliver a painful sting to humans. Box jellyfish stings can be extremely dangerous and, in some cases, even fatal. When swimming in areas where these creatures are known to inhabit. Now that we understand the basics of poisonous and venomous animals, let's highlight some key differences between the two. The primary distinction lies in how the harmful substances are delivered. Poisonous animals are dangerous to touch or consume, while venomous animals deliver their toxins through bites, stings, or other means. However, it's important to note that not all venomous animals are poisonous, and vice versa. For example, a venomous snake is not poisonous because its venom is not harmful if ingested. Similarly, a poison dart frog is not venomous because it does not inject toxins into its prey or predators. Understanding the difference between poisonous and venomous animals is crucial for our safety and appreciation of the natural world. Poisonous animals can harm us through touch or ingestion, while venomous animals deliver their toxins through bites, stings, or other mechanisms. Remember, it's always wise to exercise caution and respect when encountering these creatures in their natural habitats. By educating ourselves, we can coexist with these fascinating animals while minimizing any potential risks. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this exploration of poisonous and venomous animals enlightening. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Has emerged as a pioneer in SpaceX. In a world where dreams meet reality, one company has emerged as a pioneer in space exploration. Welcome to the captivating story of SpaceX. SpaceX, short for Space Exploration Technologies Corp., was founded in 2002 by entrepreneur Elon Musk. With a vision to revolutionize space technology, Musk aimed to make space exploration more accessible and affordable. SpaceX began its journey by developing the Falcon 1 rocket, which faced several setbacks before achieving its first successful launch in 2008. This breakthrough was the beginning of a new era in space exploration. Building on their success, SpaceX unveiled the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world. With its ability to carry heavy payloads, the Falcon Heavy opened up new possibilities for space missions. But SpaceX's ambitions didn't stop there. In 2012, they became the first privately funded company to send a spacecraft, the Dragon, to the International Space Station. Looking towards the future, SpaceX is now focused on developing the Starship spacecraft. This fully reusable vehicle aims to transport humans and cargo to destinations like the Moon, Mars, and beyond. From launching satellites into orbit, resupplying the International Space Station, to paving the way for interplanetary travel, SpaceX has redefined what is possible in space exploration. With each successful mission, SpaceX continues to push boundaries, inspiring a new generation of dreamers and explorers. The journey of SpaceX is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of the unknown. Join us as we witness the future unfold. Follow SpaceX's remarkable journey and be a part of the next chapter in space exploration. In a world where dreams meet reality, one company has emerged as a pioneer in space exploration. Welcome to the captivating story of SpaceX. SpaceX, short for Space Exploration Unfold. Follow SpaceX's remarkable journey and be a part of the next chapter in space exploration. In a world where dreams meet reality, one company has emerged as a pioneer in space exploration. Welcome to the captivating story of SpaceX. SpaceX, short for Space Exploration Technologies Corp., was founded in